Hello, welcome to the agriculture lesson. This is your teacher, Mr. Munetsi. And today we are going to be looking at the factors that we consider when we are selecting an orchard site. By the way, fruit growing is under horticulture, a branch of agriculture that is called horticulture. And when you are selecting an orchard site, this is the place where you are going to be growing your fruit trees. There are some factors that you need to look at. You don't just go to a place and start growing some fruit trees there, because the factors surrounding that area might not be suitable for growing some trees. So what factors do you look at? The first factor that we're going to consider is the nearness to the homestead. The orchard should be near your homestead or near your school for easy management, for security. So when the orchard is far away from the school or from the home, it may be difficult to manage and thieves might come and steal the fruits. So it must be near the school or the home. The second factor is availability of water. The orchard should be near a water source because these fruit trees need to be watered during the dry season or even during the rain season when the rainfall is not enough. So you need to be watering them. So a source of water should be nearby, and it's very important for the production of fruit trees. And the third factor is the slope. An orchard should be situated on a place that has a gentle slope for easy drainage and for infiltration of water into the soil. If the slope is steep, you may have problems of soil erosion because of the steepness of the soil. So you need to choose a gentle slope for good drainage, infiltration, and avoidance of soil erosion. Then the next thing that you look at is the hours of sunlight. A suitable area should have 6 to 8 hours of sunlight for the trees to be able to photosynthesize enough. You know that trees and any other plants need some sunlight for them to make food during the process of photosynthesis. So there must be 6 to 8 hours of sunlight. Then the other thing that you also look at is the climate. You look at the temperature, the wind, the frost and rainfall of that particular area. They should be favorable. The area should not be prone to frost, and it should be protected from some strong winds. Then the other thing is it must also have a sufficient rainfall. So those are the climatic factors that you consider. You also consider the soil aspects such as the texture. You look at the soil depth. It must have deep soils, and the drainage. The soil should drain well. It must be well drained. And the soil should be fertile as well, because these fruit trees will need some nutrients, so it must have enough nutrients. So that's that. Until next time, have a good time. Bye-bye.